Srinitya and I am from grade 10th.
Good evening everyone, I am Karthika from grade 10.
Karthika, why are you feeling so sad?
Because this will be our last annual day, so I am feeling a little bit low.
Yeah, that's true. I feel the same. But let us enjoy our last annual day. Abhyasa made our childhood memories more precious.
Yeah, you're right, Nitya. Here our experiences are endless.
Abhyasa not only taught us lessons but also life skills. They helped us to grow stronger every day.
Of course, Nitya. Teachers here won't feel Abhyasa as a working place, they treat it as a responsibility. Am I right, Nitya?
Yes, Karthika. Our teachers use blackboard and white chalk to fill bunch of colors in students' life.
We are not only forward in studies but also in sports.
And even our friends gave us a lot of unforgettable memories.
And the next phase of our life, we might be far away from the school, but it will be always cherished in our hearts.
Abhyasa is not just an ordinary place. It is an inspiring place for all the Abhyasians.
Yeah, of course you are right. Children build up their character here and Abhyasa will be the foundation in reaching their goals.
We are very thankful for our friendly teachers and Abhyasa for staying with us in our excited state and ground state.
To hype up the stage, we are going to perform a beautiful
and the most elegant performance ever.
Join your hands together to welcome 10th girls to show their energetic performance.
एंटरटेनमेंट वाला आ गया ओबीसी सेंटर लो मोगाली थालिया ओ बड़ा एंटरटेनमेंट वाला आ गया बीसी सेंटर लो मोगाली थालिया बॉडी लोकल माइंड ग्लोबल क्लास मासू कोबो मॉडल बोलो 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 प्यार से बोलो एवरीबॉडी जरा जरा जोर से ओ ये तो मास राजा हो जरा उठा के मार बैंड बाजा ये तो मास राजा जरा उठा के मार बैंड बाजा
On the floor, baby, hit it hard, baby, rock the party, baby, patulengi podi. On the floor, baby, hit it hard, baby, rock the party, baby, patulengi podi. Kudukku puttiya kuppayam, muduthu mandana kaalatte, vidukku pinne ennude nenjin nadukirunnavalane nee, nadukirunnavalane nee. നടവരമ്പത്ത് കണ്ടാലും പഠിക്കലങ്ങനെ നിന്നാലും പടച്ചറപ്പേ പിന്നെന്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ പടക്ക പീടിക കത്തുന്നേ പടക്ക പീടിക കത്തുന്നേ On the floor baby hit it hard baby rock the body baby patulengi podi On the floor baby hit it hard baby rock the body baby patulengi podi
మనకు కొంచెం చేంజ్ కావాలమ్మా దరువు మార్చి కొత్త సౌండ్ వేసుకోండి
வாடா வாடா பையா என் வாசல் வந்து போயா என் வாசல் தாண்டி வந்து என் வாசம் வாங்கி போயா
நாவல் நீ நட்சத்திர தூவல் நீ நடமாடும் காம கோவில் நீ ஆடை கட்டும் மேப்பிள் என் ஆசைகளின் சாம்பிள் நான் விளையாடும் காதல் ஊஞ்சல்
நீ போடு போடு சொக்க போடு
நம்ம கச்சேரிதான் ரொம்ப உற்சாகமாக கல கட்டு தடி செல்லமே நானும் துச்சாதமாக இல்ல துரியோதமாக துயில் புரியட்டுமா உன்னையே
நீ தொட்டதெல்லாம் ஹிட்டு அட இதான் வட்டு இனி நமக்கு எது சென்சார் கட்டு பெஞ்சு சத்தம் கேட்டு விடுதானா விழும் ஒட்டு நீ வாங்கிக்க காதல் சீட்டு
அட சட்டி நாடு சிக்கன் பொண்ண ருசி பார்க்கவா தினம் சேர்த்து வச்ச ஆசை எல்லாம் தீர தீர
వీళ్ళ స్టైల్ అదిరిపోయింది.
అవునా
చెంపలు చల్లమా అనిపించ కల్పన గుమ్మలు గుయ్యి అంటే నీకు ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి కల్పన గెలుకుంటున్నది ఇప్పుడు నోరు మూసుకొని ఉండు.
ఎవరురా నువ్వు ఇంత టాలెంటెడ్ ఉన్నావు గొల్లుమని నవ్వేలాగా జోకిస్తున్నావు యు ఆర్ రియల్లీ ఎ గాడ్ గిఫ్టెడ్ చైల్డ్
యాక్షన్
మామధుర అన్న కొడి మామదిని అన్న రెడీ మరుద మెచ్చు అన్న కొడి మామదిని నల్ల అడి
మా పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ నచ్చినట్లయితే అభ్యాస ద స్కూల్ ఛానల్ ని లైక్ షేర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్